Hey you guys, how are you? It's so good to see you. I hope you're having a really great day. Let's go ahead and say hello to each other. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you this morning? I am fine, I hope you are too. I am fine, I hope you are too. I am fine, I hope you are too. Hope you are too this morning. Turn to your neighbor and say hello, hello. Turn to your neighbor and say hello, hello. Turn to your neighbor and say hello, hello. Say hello this morning. All right, we are going to read a book about spring first thing because I asked you guys some things that you've been seeing outside that have to do with spring, and some of you guys gave some answers. I want to see if some of them are in this book. Let's see. I see raindrops falling down. I see raincoats blue and brown. We've been seeing a lot of rain, haven't we? I see dark clouds way up high. I see a rainbow in the sky. And some of you guys have been doing rainbow crafts at home. I saw Olivia's science experiment and I saw William's drawings. Very cool. I see puddles in the street. I see rain boots on my feet. I see sunshine on the trees. I see bluebirds ride the breeze. I see robins build a nest. I see bunnies take a rest. I see ladybugs and snails. I see puppies chase their tails. Speaking of bugs, Glover saw some worms. And you know what I saw today? I saw a worm. It was in a bird's mouth. I bet it was about to eat it. I see yellow daffodils. I see bluebells on the hills. Have you guys seen any bluebonnets? Our Texas flower? We took some pictures with some the other day. And who said that they saw flowers? I think two people, William and Sam, both said that they saw flowers. I see squirrels scamper on the ground. I see pinwheels go round and round. I see kites up in the sky. I see clothes hanging up to dry. Ooh, kites. I haven't thought about that. Do any of you guys have a kite at home? I bet that like today would have been probably really great weather to fly a kite. I see butterflies and flowers. I see signs of more spring showers. Yep. I think we're supposed to get more rain today. We'll see if it actually happens or not. That's the end. That was fun. All right, we have to update our list, our Do You Like Rain list. So let me move this out of the way a little bit and move this. All right, so actually, I'm just gotta move it a little bit more. There we go. All right, so Olivia has decided, you know what, I actually don't like the rain. So we are gonna move her to the I don't like the rain side. Olivia. And William also said that he does not like the rain. So William and Olivia, and I'm gonna put Miss Crystal's name on the doesn't like rain side because It's not really that I don't like rain, but I just feel like the rain is so inconvenient. Sometimes it comes when I have to like carry my groceries in the house, or when I have to carry a baby, or I have to load a baby in the car. That's a lot to do when it's raining on you. And then somebody else voted yes, Glover. Glover said that he does like the rain. And I bet my son Titus and my son Eli both would say that they like the rain too, because they love the rain. We played in the rain the other day. All right, let's count and see which one wins, okay? All right, so for the yes, ready to count with me? Put on your counting mouth. Boop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like the rain. Let's see how many people don't like it. 1, 2, 3. 3 people said, I don't like the rain. All right, which one has the most votes? The people that do like the rain have the most votes, only by 1. You guys had 4 votes and we had 3, which is 1 less than 4. So you guys win. Okay, next thing. We are going to do our calendar. Let's move this thing out of the way. And let's sing our months of the year song. Let's do one, let's whisper it. And then when we get to April, we'll say April out loud. Does that sound good? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Woo! Good job, you guys. We are in April. And let's go ahead and spell April. I'm going to move it up here so you guys can see all the letters. We have A, P, R, I, L. And April is a really great word because you can actually hear all the letter sounds when you say April. Sometimes in words you don't hear all the letter sounds, but April you do hear all of those sounds. All right, let's find out what day it is. Day of the week. So yesterday was Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday, what's today? Do you guys know? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Let's do the clapping one, except let's stomp our feet this time. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job, you guys. All right. Oh, I didn't ask you guys what tomorrow's going to be. All right, let's put our thinking caps back on. Bloop. All right, so if today is Thursday, what is tomorrow going to be? The day after today. Wednesday was yesterday. Thursday is today. Friday is going to be tomorrow. Good job. And I bet you guys know what comes after the number 1, right? What comes after the number 1? 1, 2. So we got to put up our number 2 on Thursday. So far we have 2 blacks. This time we're gonna do an AAB pattern. So it's opposite of what we did last month. We're gonna do black, black, red. Black, black, red. So next time we see each other, which we're not gonna see each other tomorrow, but next time we're gonna have to fill in all these days up until Monday. And so there'll be some good pattern going on. And look at my shirt. I have a good pattern. I've been wearing a lot of patterns lately because I think all of my shirts that fit me right now have stripes. So I've been wearing a lot of patterns. All right, we did that. I have one more book to read. I feel like I'm forgetting to do something with the calendar. Am I forgetting something? I don't know. Oh, we have to add a couple words to our you list. I don't have the board with me, but I'm going to tell you guys the word that's going to be added. So it's the word universe. William said that one. Isn't that a good one? Universe, which is what we learned about last week. I don't even know how I forgot about that one. And then I have 2 words to add. One of them is with a U sound, uniform. Some people have to wear uniforms to work, or some people have to wear uniforms to school. And then the other one I thought of was underwear. We all have to wear underwear, right? That's a good one. And actually, if we would have been in school this week, we probably would have decorated some underwear cutouts because that's so silly. And we would have read Underpants, Wonderpants. Do you guys remember that book? I think we've read it before. But if not, maybe you guys can look it up on YouTube. I'll try to find it and post it. It is silly. All right, one more story. This is called Rain or Shine, and it has an idea in there of something that you guys can do at home too. This is a Curious George book. Curious George was a playful little monkey. Like most playful little monkeys, he loved having fun outside. But sometimes the weather would not cooperate with George. It would be too windy for playing ball or too wet for flying a kite. George was tired of the weather ruining his fun. He decided that he would just have to be prepared for anything. Look at all of his stuff in his wagon. Then the doorman told him that some animals have special ways to tell the weather. George was curious. He didn't think that he was one of those animals, but maybe he could become one. George decided to ask his friend, the man with the yellow hat. The man told George about a saying that sailors use to help them predict the weather. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. This meant that if a sailor saw a bright red sunset, the next day would be sunny. That gave George an idea. He would draw a picture of the sky and then watch what happened to the weather. He started with the red sunset that evening. George also had a pinwheel. When the wind blew fast, his bee pinwheel spun quickly. When the wind blew slowly or not at all, the pinwheel spun slowly too. He couldn't tell how fast the wind was blowing. Oh, now he could tell how fast the wind was blowing. Oh no, I think this book is missing some pages. So it jumped ahead and now he is going to a weather station. As a special treat, George's friend took him to the weather station for a visit. There were no socks, no pinwheels, crayons, or crickets. How did they predict the weather? The weather scientists told George that they used radar satellites in space to find weather patterns. Unfortunately, they were missing one of their satellites. They wouldn't be able to predict the day's weather for the mayor's big golf game. George had an idea. George raced home. The sock and pinwheel showed him the morning storm clouds were being blown away, and his drawing showed the sky was red the night before, and the cricket was chirping quickly. George predicted it would be a good day for golfing. He could predict the weather after all. Back at the weather station, the mayor was happy to hear the news, and he invited everyone to come to the golf course. George had one more prediction to make. Tomorrow would be a great day for a picnic. Do you see why? Because look at the sky in the back. It has a red sky. All right, so this is the part that I think would be cool. It says that you can make your own tornado in a 2-liter bottle. So I'm gonna hold this up so you guys can see what you need if you wanna make it at home. Pretty cool. Have you guys ever done that before? Made a tornado in a jar before? We've done it a couple times. But we've never done that in our class before, have we? If we would have been at school, we probably would have done that. All right. Well, I will see you guys next Monday. I hope you guys have a really good weekend. Let me know what you guys are doing because I love seeing your pictures that your mommies are sending me. So let me know, okay? I'll talk to you guys later.